straight back in with the PEPE talk today. Welcome back to the channel, by the way. We're going to look at PEPE. I want to just kind of reiterate the video from yesterday and what I still think about PEPE coin. The meme coin is one of the best out there in my opinion. The meta, the narrative, and overall just the fact that it is consolidating pretty well. At the moment, it's weird to see this zero added back on and the price looking so different on CoinMarketCap. But, you know, I think we're still in an okay place as long as we don't play through a lower low. As you can see on these charts right here, if we did plummet down below this sort of 4 region, I would kind of feel like into the 5s. I would feel kind of very bearish, but at the moment, I don't think it's too bad. Now, PEPE coin on the Google Trends, the term, just like every other meme coin, everything was exploding in March 2024 where we had the retail money, we had the meme mania, we had the old season. So all the retail money was effectively there. Right now we're in a crash, lots of longs have been liquidated, people don't have a lot of money, people are on holiday, spending time with their families. It's just not the time to be growing this particular market right now. And I think that also kind of ties in with the stock markets a little bit. So we can see PEPE is 3.27 billion market cap, was at 7 billion, so it's basically corrected 50% on the nose. That's pretty good correction to see it holding well, but it could also be a good time to actually potentially dollar cost average back in. If you're FOMOing into PEPE at this price over here, then you know you can always get double the amount of tokens now basically for each dollar you spend. That's the way I see it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, share it with your friends, hit the notification bell, subscribe for the chance to win $500, and let's talk about the price structure. So I still think this is a great dollar cost average region just from the sort of RSI perspective here, the oversold relative strength index. I think this can offer good gains for people that may be getting around this level. I think even into 2x, if you know, I'm not saying 10x, but if you're looking for like a steady 2-3x, I think this could still be a good place for PEPE. Not financial advice, it could still go down to the next sort of support regions, which are down 17 and 24% respectively. But I think it's a good place to be looking right now for PEPE buyers. If you're looking to make your very first ever PEPE entry, it looks like we've made a nice sort of support level. Good accumulation could be happening around this particular region is what I really think and is what I really believe as well. Do remember that the smart money is fooling you. When you look at the Bitcoin distribution history and the Bitcoin addresses holding a balance between these particular numbers that are highlighted on the left, you can actually see over the last 14 days, for example, the wallets holding 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoin. These wallets have gone up. Exactly the same as the wallets holding 100 and between 100 and 1,000 Bitcoins. These wallets have surprisingly also gone up. So whilst the retailer has been selling their lovely Bitcoin and crypto and just altcoins, smart money sweeps in like a vulture, capitalizes on that fear, and they're greedy when you guys are fearful. So this is what's happening, and I think we'll see it every single time because markets are moved by psychology. Psychology doesn't change because humans are always basically the same no matter what. So I think like it's interesting to see it happen over and over and over again. And interesting to see that retail never really learns. So we're back in that position where we've had a lot of fear. What are you going to do in this fearful scenario? Are you going to buy? Are you going to sell? Are you going to hold? Are you going to accumulate? You know, it does leave that question because, you know, buying over here would have been a mistake when things were really hot on that RSI. Very, very hot. But buying down here could leave that sort of breather period to have that expansion phase once again in the markets and get that impulse to the upside, which is what we really, really want to see. If you guys also want to make some extra money in the markets, like the trading signals you see here on screen, check out my Patreon group down below. Link it right down there. I've only got 4 crypto legend packages available. They'll probably be gone by the end of the week. And yeah, this will help you achieve time, financial, location, freedom to get what you want out of life and the crypto markets. We're now going to talk about degen corner side. So we've talked about PEPE. I think it's still got a great position from here. I think the all-time high for PEPE, in the future will actually be around the 0.000022 region. That could certainly happen, but of course we can still bottom out a bit further, maybe down to the 6.5s and stuff like that. Into the degen corners, what other meme coins are relevant right now? Well, the first one is going to be Top G 1500. You're going to hear me talk about it quite a bit because I'm just generally bullish on the narrative. It's a dude walking to Romania from the United Kingdom to meet the Andrew Tate legend and also Tristan Tate. If you want to call them legends, I don't know what you can call them. You can call them a lot of things. But yeah, the Price structures look good. 1.77 million on the MC, 147k liquidity. Check this meme coin out down below because it's been trading for a while. It's holding super steady, and as he gets closer to Romania, he's almost going to be in Bucharest. He's got 835 kilometers left on his walk. This is the Twitter, by the way. You can see it's growing pretty nice now. As he gets closer, you would imagine there's going to be more bullishness, more FOMO, more hype, and if Andrew Tate does spot the coin and promote it and talk about it, and if he actually meets Andrew Tate, because that's the whole point of this. Look, he says, newest meme coin on the Solana of a real life narrative, walking 1,500 miles from the UK to Romania to meet the Tate brothers. So that is the objective. If that happens, this coin goes boom boom up there. Goes rocket to the moon, literally. Coin number 2 on the Degen corner, we've got PEPE Unchained. If you like PEPE, which I'm sure you do if you're watching this video, PEPE Unchained is like an alternative ecosystem, so it could be good to diversify. In one day, the price will go up. They've raised 7.6 million. One PEPE at $0.00894661 is its very own layer 2 ecosystem. It's quite exciting. It's got its own dedicated block explorer. They've got some good staking rewards. We could see also, look, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Token powers the entire ecosystem. So this is definitely a cool ecosystem to be looking at, paying attention at. They've got 8 billion max supply here, and it could be another coin that does pretty well. You can buy it on ERC20 or BEP20. I'll let you guys have a look at this down below. You can see 254% on the staking APY rewards at the moment as well. Recently celebrating their $7.5 million raised. Big organic views and impressions there. PEPE Unchained has got 9.9k followers, almost 10,000 followers. And also a reminder, just look what happened last time in the markets. You can see Bitcoin went last time in 2021 from 50k or something like that, 63k actually, all the way down to 30k. So what happened is it actually put through a 30% correction. Today we've done a 20-30% correction, but then it did a 50% correction. So 4 years ago, Bitcoin corrects 50% and then puts through an all-time high a few weeks later. This time around, Bitcoin does a 20-30% correction. Everyone's panicking. It's all over. La-di-da-di-da. It's happening all over again, and nobody's learned in the last 4 years. Maybe people that were in the markets here have. People that are in the markets down here are certainly not panicking. At least I'd hope. But if you are panicking, it could mean you're over-leveraged, you're overexposed, you put too much in too soon, or too late. You put too much in too late. And yeah, you FOMO'd, boys. So don't do the FOMO. Don't do that anymore. And if you are looking to get into trading, buying altcoins, meme coins, crypto, and you don't want a KYC, you're from Canada, America, and you want to do it the proper way, the decentralized way, sign up to KSEX down below. Get signed up, enjoy some trading bonuses on my link, and enjoy the KSEX, guys. It's awesome. It's really nice. It's very similar to MEXC, as you can probably see. And yeah, just have a little look at it. It's really a nice exchange. So just to summarize, PEPE I'm still bullish on, even at this price, because I don't think the bull market is over. Bitcoin whales are buying Bitcoin, whilst Bitcoin like shrimps or like retail money, and they're selling it. Top G 1,500, super bullish on. Not financial advice, but I think everyone should at least hold like $1,000 worth of this thing, just because of that in case, that what if he meets Andrew Tate, you're looking at 5, 10, 25x. And also you got PEPE Unchained. There's a link down below if you want to research this. Remember, none of this is financial advice, but do check it out anyway. And yeah, I think we are in that place where we just got to hope for the best. I don't know when it'll happen, but stay positive, folks. Use the fear as an advantage to capitalize on, just like these guys are. See you soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to hit your crypto goals. Peace.